Imagine a life-saving vaccine that has traveled hundreds of kilometers to reach a remote hospital. Everything appears normal, but somewhere during transportation, the refrigeration system failed for just few hours. The vaccine silently loses its effectiveness before reaching the patient. No one knew until it was too late. Unfortunately, this isn't an isolated incident. Every day, thousands of shipments carrying medicines, vaccines, dairy products, fresh produce, and other temperature sensitive goods face similar risks. Today, we will like to introduce PreservAI, an AI powered cold chain intelligence platform that doesn't just monitor shipments, it also predicts failures before they happen, helping business protect product, reduce waste, and make smarter decisions across the entire cold chain. Before we discuss our solution, let's first understand the scale of the problem. A cold chain is much more than transporting products in refrigerated vehicles. It is an interconnected ecosystem that starts from manufacturing, moves through transportation and storage, reaches distributors, and finally delivers product to customers. At every stage, products are exposed to risk, a transportation delay, poor handling, refrigeration failure, excessive vibration, or even prolonged exposure to sunlight can compromise product quality. What's alarming is that these failures are often invisible. Products may look perfectly normal from outside while their quality has already degraded. Every year, this results in enormous financial losses, food wastage, ineffective medicines, and unnecessary pressure on the healthcare and logistics system. The big challenge is that most organizations only discover these problems after the damage has already occurred. So, why do these losses continue despite the availability of cold chain monitoring system? The answer is simple. Most existing solutions are designed only for monitoring, not prevention. They continuously record temperature and humidity, but they cannot predict whether the product is at actual risk. They don't estimate remaining shelf life. They don't calculate product health. They don't monitor cooling efficiency. They also ignore important factors such as vibration, shock, transportation delays, and handling conditions. Most importantly, alerts are generated only after the unsafe conditions has already occurred. By then, business have very few options left except accepting the loss. We believe cold chains deserve something smarter than simply collecting sensor data. There is where PreservAI comes. PreservAI transforms traditional cold chain monitoring into predictive cold chain intelligence. Instead of asking, let's suppose what happened, PreservAI asks what is likely to happen next. Our platform combines intelligent smart tags, smart PCM Crates, IoT sensors, GPS tracking, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence to one integrated ecosystem. Every shipment continuously generates environmental data including temperature, humidity, shock, vibration, cooling, performance, and location. Instead of simply displaying the information on a dashboard, our AI interprets the data to understand product health, estimate remaining shelf life, predict spoilage probability, and generate proactive alerts before the products become unsafe. This allows business to intervene early, reducing losses and ensuring critical products safely reach their destination. Let's now walk through the complete journey of a shipment through using Preserve AI. The process begins at the manufacturing facility where every shipment is aligned a unique Preserve AI smart tag. And depending on the application, products can also be placed inside our intelligent smart PCM crate which actively monitor cooling performance during transportation. Throughout the journey, sensors continuously collect environmental information including temperature, humidity, vibration, shock, and light exposure, GPS location, and PCM health. This information is securely transmitted to our cloud platform through wireless communication technologies. Once the data reaches to the cloud, our AI engine immediately begins analyzing every parameter. It predicts spoilage risks, estimates remaining shelf life, calculates product health scores, and identifies potential failures long before they become critical. Finally, users receive their insights through an intuitive dashboard, mobile application, and instant alerts, enabling faster and smarter decisions throughout the supply chain. What truly differentiates Preserve AI is that it brings together multiple innovations into one intelligent platform. Our smart tags provide real-time visibility into every shipment by monitoring temperature, humidity, vibration, shock, light exposure, and GPS location. Our smart PCM crates go one step further by monitoring the health of cooling packs themselves instead of assuming cooling is working. We actually measure its effectiveness and estimate the remaining cooling duration. Our AI engine continuously evaluates the condition of every shipment and generates a product health score along with the shelf life prediction and spoilage probability. Finally, we have also incorporated energy intelligence by supporting solar assisted charging and vibration energy harvesting, enabling longer operation durations in challenging environments. Together, these innovations create a preventive intelligence system rather than just another monitoring solution. Behind Preserve AI is a carefully designed technology stack that connects hardware, cloud infrastructure, artificial intelligence, and users' application in one seamless ecosystem. At the sensing layer, we use ESP32 microcontrollers integrated with multiple environmental sensors to continuously collect shipment data. This information is securely transmitted through communication technologies such as Wi-Fi, 4G, 5G, MQTT, and LoRa, depending on the deployment requirements. The cloud platform stores, processes, and manages incoming data, while our AI engine performs predictive analysis including spoilage prediction, risk assessment, shelf life estimation, and product health scoring. Finally, all these insights are delivered through intuitive dashboards, mobile application, and GPS tracking systems and enterprise analytics platform. The modular architecture shows Preserve AI to scale around the healthcare, food logistics, warehousing, and pharmaceuticals. The intelligence behind Preserve AI comes from transforming raw sensor readings into actionable decisions. Every smart tag continuously measures environmental conditions such as temperature, humidity, vibration, shock, light exposure, and location. These readings are at first processed at the edge to ensure efficient data collection and reduced latency. The processed information is then securely transmitted to our cloud platform where our AI engine evaluates multiple risk indicators simultaneously. Rather than relying on a single parameter like temperature, our models analyze the combined impact of multiple environmental conditions on product quality. This enables Preserve AI to predict spoilage probability, estimate remaining shelf life, calculate product health scores, and generate preventive alerts before the products are damaged. In simple terms, we can say that our system doesn't just collect data, it understands the data, meaning it helps organization take timely. Now let's look the complete architecture that powers Preserve AI. Our platform is designed as end-to-end intelligence ecosystem where every layer has a specific responsibility. It begins with our edge layer where smart tags and PCM Crate continuously collect environmental data such as temperature, humidity, vibration, shock, light exposure, GPS, and cooling performance. This information is securely transmitted through multiple communication technologies including Wi-Fi, cellular networks, and LoRa, ensuring reliable connectivity across different transportation environments. The data is then processed with our cloud platform where it's securely stored, managed, and prepared for AI analysis. Our intelligence layer transforms raw sensor readings into meaningful insights by predicting spoilage probability, estimating remaining shelf life, calculating health scores, and identifying potential risks before the product quality is affected. Technology creates value only when it solves the real problems. The biggest impact of Preserve AI is that it challenges the way organizations manage cold chains. Instead of reacting after products have already been damaged, business can now prevent losses before they occur. Early AI-based risk predictions helps to reduce spoilage while improving shipment visibility from origin to destination. Every shipment receives continuously updated product health score and shelf life estimation, giving decision makers confidence about product quality at every stage. Platform also supports regulatory compliance by maintaining continuous monitoring records and generating automated alerts wherever abnormal conditions are detected. A great technology becomes impactful only when it has a sustainable business model. PreservAI follows hybrid hardware plus software as a service model. We generate revenue through intelligent smart tags and smart PCM crates deployed across cold chain operation. Beyond hardware, organizations subscribe to our cloud platform, gaining access to AI analytics, predictive alerts, compliance reports, fleet monitoring, and enterprise dashboards. This creates recurring subscription revenue while continuously delivering value to the customers. As adaptation grows, enterprise analytics, API integrations, maintenance services, and advanced intelligence modules becomes additional revenue opportunities. This model enables us to scale efficiently while building long-term relationships with pharmaceutical companies, hospitals, logistic providers, food manufacturers, and cold storage operate. Innovation should not only be powerful, it should always be practical and affordable. PreservAI has designed with scalability and cost efficiency in mind. Our smart tags are designed to be economically manufactured while delivering advanced monitoring capability. Similarly, smart PCM Crates combine intelligent cooling management with predictive analytics, creating a premium yet commercially viable solution. In addition to hardware sales, our recurring SaaS subscription ensure sustainable long-term revenue through cloud dashboards, predictive intelligence, compliance reporting, and fleet management. One of our biggest advantages is affordability. By combining indigenous development with AI-driven analytics, PreservAI aims to provide advanced cold chain intelligence at a significantly lower cost than many imported solutions. PreservAI is not just a prototype, it is the foundation of much larger vision. Our roadmap begins with validating smart tags, smart PCM crates, and AI prediction models through pilot deployments. The next phase focuses on commercial deployment across hospitals, pharmaceutical companies, and logistic providers while expanding our subscription platform. As adoption grows, we aim to integrate additional predictive intelligence capabilities, digital twin technologies, and advanced analytics to create comprehensive cold chain management ecosystem. In coming years, our vision is to scale beyond healthcare into food distribution, agriculture, warehousing, and industrial logistics. So, what success look like? Our vision extends far beyond technology. We envision a future where vaccines arrive safely at remote hospitals, medicines retain their effectiveness throughout transportation, and food reaches customers with minimal wastage. PreservAI enables organizations to make proactive decisions through AI-generated product health scores, self-life estimation, and spoilage prediction. This improves tractability, strengthens regulatory compliance, reduces operational losses, and increases trust throughout the supply chain. This slide showcases our progress from concept to implementation. On the left, you can see our hardware prototype built around IoT-based sensing and real-time environmental monitoring. On the right is monitoring dashboard where users can visualize shipment location, environmental condition alerts, and analytics in real time. This prototype demonstrates that PreservAI is not merely a concept, it's an actively developed system integrating hardware, cloud infrastructure, and AI user application into one intelligence platform. As we conclude, we would like to leave you with a thought: every shipment represents something valuable. Sometimes it's food feeding the families, it's life saving the medicine reaching a patient, it's a vaccine that can protect entire community. These products deserve more than monitoring, they deserve intelligence that helps protect them before the problems occur. That's the vision behind PreservAI. By combining artificial intelligence, IoT, cloud computing, and predictive analytics, we aim to transform cold chain management system from reactive monitoring to proactive prevention. We believe this technology has potential to make supply chains safer, smarter, and more sustainable. Thank you for your time and attention. We would happy to answer your questions.